Hi guys, and welcome to this place I like to call my channel. So I had technical difficulties this morning. I did a tutorial on this eye look from the Game of Thrones Urban Decay palette, but for some reason my camera deleted it and it will not download. But I wanted to just upload what it did process to my computer, which was the review basically of the Dracarys lip and cheek stain, and I talk a little bit about the eyeliner that I'm wearing from the Game of Thrones collection. Later date, be posting another tutorial on this palette because I feel like it deserves a tutorial. So this is just going to be a review. I needed to film an intro because my intro was what was deleted for some reason, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy what I have to say about the palette. Definitely think the palette's worth a purchase. Some of the other things in the collection aren't as on point as the palette, but the palette is definitely worth the money. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy. Really pretty. Everything does blend really well, like I knew it would, because of the quality of Urban Decay's products. So I'm very satisfied with that. I love this eyeliner so much. Dragon Smoke is something I might wear like every day because I wear black eyeliner every day. But this color is like, it's black, but it has sparkles in it to where it has like a little bit of mystery. There's like purple and pink sparkles in them, and they're very subtle. So it looks great with like purple or brown like eyeshadow like I have on today. And then so I did want to try out this Game of Thrones Dracarys lip and cheek stain. Everyone's saying it's really good. I know the one from Benefit is awesome. Is this a dropper? Oh, it's a little dropper. You can drop that on your brush. I like to use a brush when I do my cheek stain, so I'm going to drop one drop on the brush. Oh, and I got a little bit on my finger. Use it on my lips. Very natural looking. This is pretty. I'm not a big blush person, but I like it. I will say I do like this collection. I will probably be using this a lot, a little less than I did today. But I really like everything. I think it looks really nice. Good job, Urban Decay. But, you know, I knew they would do a good job. But, you know, I didn't get any of the lipsticks that they had because the only one I felt like I would probably wear was Sansa Stark. But it was very sheer and they were sold out of it when I was at the store. Okay, so there's that, and I'm gonna put on a little bit of bronzer. I didn't get the highlighter palette from Urban Decay because I felt like the colors just weren't right for me, so I was like, I'm not gonna waste my money on something like that. But I am gonna use the bronzer that I bought a few weeks ago. It's NYX. It's called California Beamin', and I'm gonna use this as a bronzer, and then I'm gonna call it a day. But I really like the eyeshadow. The palette is on point. I am very satisfied with that. I am gonna put on some lashes, and then I will be done. Okay, so I'm back. I put on some lashes. I put on the Kiss lashes in Sultry, and I added a little more blush, but overall this is the finished look. I'm very satisfied. I am definitely going to be using this palette, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm now going to show you the swatches of all the colors. There's a lot, so bear with me. We're going to start from the top. It's called Take the Black. It's a really nice black color with sparkles. Then we're going to do White Walker. I'm trying to get it so where you guys can see it. It's White Walker. Alright, and then we have Frozen North. I'm going to put it right there. That's gorgeous. Frozen North. Free Folk. And then Hard Home. Okay, next we have the Winterfell little section. We're going to start with Nymeria. And then Winter's Here. Where Wood Leaves. I love that color. That's probably my favorite. And The Sight. And then Winterfell. These are really good fall colors. They're very pretty. Okay. Next is going to be King's Landing. That little Lannister segment. Okay, we have House Lannister. This is a really good brow bone shade or like blending shade. Red Keep. That's gorgeous. Casterly Rock. Lannister Red. And finally, King's Landing. Those are really pretty. That's the Lannister colors. Okay, we're going to start with House Targaryen. Stormborn. Dothraki. Bend the Knee. Oh, that's really pretty. And Bay of Dragons. It's like a rose gold color. This one's a lot prettier than I expected. Kind of scares me when you get those pink iridescent colors because sometimes they can be kind of ugh. But yeah, Bend the Knee is very pretty. So that's Targaryen, and that's the last one on the palette. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I give the palette 2 thumbs up. The cheek and lip stain, it's okay. Definitely will use it. Eye pencil, phenomenal, no surprise there. And the brushes, haven't used those yet, but I don't know if I'm going to use those because they're such great collector's items, so not sure if I'm going to use those at all. But again, thanks for watching. I hope you like this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please subscribe and like and or follow me on Facebook and Instagram. On Instagram, I'm it's Leanne Michelle. Facebook, my regular name. But Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!